Okay, people, here we go. Here's my lovely Erin Condren box. It was way bigger than I thought it was. Shout out to Tommy at work for being so loving and so giving to consistently stop by my office with the numerous amounts of deliveries I have had in the recent weeks since I have discovered the Happy Planner. With that, let's get inside this box. I've done nothing to it. All I've done is brought it home, and I couldn't wait to get home so that I could get into it. And so, here we go. Let's see what's inside, shall we? So we're going to go ahead and be as gentle as possible getting this open because I don't want to ruin anything inside of it at all. And waiting for it. Came really quickly, about a week it took, which is great, especially since it's a customizable planner, so it's not like a straight out of the box planner. Let's see if I can get this in this video here. See if you guys can see what I'm seeing here. So it's packaged really well, super awesome. It's got a great little paper packaging here, which you've seen tons of videos about. Of course, here's the everything you can imagine card, which you've seen, I'm sure. A welcome, which I will go through later on my own. You guys don't need to see that. And now let's get into the brass tacks of the box. Another enjoy little card in case I'm giving this to someone, but I'm not. So here is my life planner. It is personalized, which I love. I love putting my name on things. It's awesome. So I got the ruler tab thing that everybody talks about, the pouch inside, all of the things you guys have seen, dashboard that you can do with the dry erase, the vellum everybody talks about. It's real interesting to get your hands on it though, because you see it on the videos, you don't know what it feels like. So I'm not going to go through every month because there are tons of videos out there, but I did get the vertical layout. Thought I'd go ahead and give that a try. They don't have a dashboard, so I couldn't do, apples to apples. So I will do apples to cran apples. So that's what that looks like. They had some accessories on sale as well. So I got these wet erase marker set for the dashboard at the beginning of the book and the end of the planner. Got some Erin Condren stickers. Guess who doesn't need more stickers? Me, because I have an enormous amount of stickers to have only been with Happy Planner for 3 weeks, but they had a special on accessories, 15% off, so I decided to go ahead and order those. And a designer sticker book. This is edition 4. Let's see what this looks like. Some stuff I was just picking because I wanted the 15% off. So let's see what this looks like inside. Okay, got some good foil stickers here, big box stickers, some tabs that are nice, some washi. Love to plan, that's cute. It's foil, it's great. More washi. Some functional boxes here that are great. Some other things here. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at those colors. That is great. I didn't expect that because the first ones were also muted. Lovely. Look at that. That is beautiful. So I'm ready to do this. I'm going to attempt to do my Erin Condren planner using Erin Condren stickers. But I don't know how successful I'll be at that because I have tons of Happy Planner stickers, so I'll be using those as well. So that's one accessory that I got. Oh, look at this. What is this? Looks like I got a calendar. Look at that. That is nice. I need a calendar at work. Please forgive my dog. She got a new bed and she's making her home in it, enjoying herself. Look at this. I can't wait to get into this calendar. I need one at work because I did not get a new calendar this year. So this is perfect. Let's see what we have here. I haven't seen this on any of the videos, so this is new for me. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's got stickers for the calendar too. Oh my gosh. One can never have enough stickers. So it's your 2019 inspirational quote calendar. Function meets fashion with the stunning 2019 inspirational quote calendar. Get organized with 12-month views and get inspired with motivating quotes featuring elements of our new woven wonder design. Let's take a look, shall we? So we got What You Seek is Seeking You for January with some great boxes. We won't be using January, of course. What I love, though, are these stickers. This is awesome. I totally didn't expect that. Well, let me check and see if I got that perpetual calendar thing that normally comes with the planner. So let's see. I do. Ooh. And I got some sticky corner pockets too. Nice. And the perpetual calendar is back here. I got way more in this thing than I anticipated, so awesome sauce. Yes. Okay, so that's my unboxing of the Erin Condren Life Planner that I ordered. And I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna do a layout for the first week of April. That's gonna go with the layout. Well, not go with, but I'm gonna use just like I'm losing through my Happy Planner. And I will come back to you guys at the end of April to take a look at what my month has looked like. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Poor Penmanship Planner. First video, if you like it, subscribe. Hit that reminder bell down there so you can find out when I post my comparison. Or just keep an eye out for me and come back and visit at the beginning of May. All right. Happy planning, people.